Good morning, children. Today our topic is introduction to atom, that is structure of atom. Assignment 2. Let us write the first question in assignment 2. I'll write the question here. Which postulates of Dalton is not contradicted by modern atomic theory. Okay, so you know that Dalton's atomic theory and modern atomic theory. So Dalton atomic theory and modern atomic theory contradicted in many other points, but both the theories are same in one respect. That is answer number option number 1. That is the small unit of matter is an atom that takes part in chemical reactions. So Dalton's atomic theory and modern atomic theory said only one thing similar, that is atoms are take part in chemical reaction. Dalton's atomic theory said atoms takes part in a chemical reaction, whereas modern atomic theory also said the same thing, that is atoms that take part in a chemical reaction. Let us move to the second question, second answer. According to modern atomic theory, atoms of different elements are sometimes dashed in some respects. Okay, so the option 1 is similar to, different 3, 1 and 2, and the 4 all. So according to modern atomic theory, atoms of different elements are sometimes similar. For example, I give you one: calcium 40-20 and argon 40-18. If we observe this, atoms of different elements, okay, having atomic masses same. See, so you can say the example. So the answer is similar. And let us go to the third question. According to Dalton's atomic theory, atoms combine in small whole numbers to form according to Dalton's atomic theory, atoms combine in small whole numbers to form compound. Compound is the answer. Compound. What is a compound? It is a substance made from two or more elements combined chemically in a fixed ratio. Chemically combined. So two or more elements combine to form compound in a fixed ratio and they are chemically combined. Okay, so compounds are electrically neutral, there is no charge on it. So the answer is compound. Let us go to the next question, fourth question. Atoms of same element are dash in all respects. I like the fifth question also. Atoms of different elements are dash in all respects. See here the atoms and atoms, but same element, and here different element. So atoms of same element are alike. What is the meaning of alike? Same. So for example, if you take hydrogen atoms, all the atoms present in this hydrogen are same in all respect, having same number of electrons and the size, everything will be same. But if you take the atoms of different elements, for example hydrogen atoms, nitrogen atoms, oxygen atoms, if you take this, the hydrogen atoms are different in nature when compared with nitrogen, and nitrogen atoms are different when compared with hydrogen and oxygen. So different elements have different atoms in it and they are different in all respect. Okay, so let us go to the last question. Which of the following is similar in Dalton's and modern atomic theory? So already we discussed the same type of question in the first question. So the first question and the sixth question are almost similar. in asking that question. Okay. So what is the answer? Atom is the smallest particle that take part in a chemical reaction. So whenever we said the chemical reaction is happened, for example, sodium hydroxide is reacted with sulfuric acid to gives rise to NaCl and water. What does it means? It is a chemical reaction. That means the atoms of sodium hydroxide react with the atoms of H2SO4. So whenever a chemical reaction happens, the atoms present in it takes part in that chemical reaction. The atoms combine, then only we'll get the products. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.